I'm Raksha from Nifty Analysis. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the levels which we have shared for this trading session. That means for the expiry of 26th of November 2020. It has not even given us selling opportunities, which has accurately and precisely met all the targets for downside, but also in the last session, the ending session of this day, giving us a very beautiful buying opportunities for from the targets from the downside to all the targets which were there on the higher side, just breaking up all the resistance, breaking up all the supports which has turned into a resistance. So just a quick recap of today's trading session. Let's start with Bank Nifty first, and then I'll share what will be the updated levels for tomorrow and how to trade tomorrow, the Friday, a very tricky day after our expiry, because most of the time we are just confused. What exactly should be your trading strategy after an expiry day? So let's start with Bank Nifty first. Bank Nifty has beautifully given us the downside targets, just breaking the immediate support on the first candle, breaking up the immediate support just on the starting session itself. It has given us a downside target, and from here it has just broken this support on resistance and then the R2 level, and it has closed here at around like 29554.80. Now for tomorrow, this immediate resistance will be at 29677 to 29618, giving the upside target back to 29790, and near about I'll just give you the levels. This level 29952 to 29950, this range of resistance. So we have the targets for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. Let's go for Nifty. First of all, I just missed telling you this. I am not much more bullish about Bank Nifty tomorrow, but because I think that there might be back the retests of these levels back here. So be very careful, and until and unless this resistance, the higher channel, is not being breached, do not go for any buy. So be very, very, very careful about any buying opportunities in Bank Nifty. Well, going for Nifty here, Nifty opened exactly at the R1 level as was given today. It has given a very beautiful target of T1 just in a single candle here. Also beyond that, all the targets of the downside has been done, and from this zone of resistance, it has given all the targets back to the upside. It has given all the rallies here, and you can see beautifully it is sitting here at the median of this pitchfork. So now what exactly we have for tomorrow's day? The resistance, the updated resistance for Nifty now is 13,036 to 13,021. So what I am expecting now is first a retest of this zone back here. Then if you are very aggressive trader, try to wait for a rejection of this level of 12,970 to around, if I go for the lower channel of this range, then it is around at 12,968. So let me just update quickly for you guys. 12,968, or I can say 12,965 for being on safer side. So 12,965, just look for a quick rejection here and then breakout back of 12,970 for the targets of 13,036 to 13,021, and from here we are on the next target of 13,075 for the bullish side. Now, as I was looking for more of a downside back here on Friday, so break off this, we have all the levels back acting, all the resistance will be acting as a support right now, acting as your targets right now. So if we have a breakout downside for the 12,965, the next level we will be looking for 12,950, then 12,910, and back to 12,870. So all these levels are back here. These levels have been explained in my last video, which I'll be sharing the link in the description section. So just be very careful for the Friday. It might be a very tricky day tomorrow. So trade safe. It's your money. Save your money. Don't go for any kind of stupid trades. Just be very precisely with all your SLs. Keep your SLs tight and your profits higher. So thank you so much for this, and then signing off on this note. Bye.